Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In how many ways can 9 children and 2 couples be seated at a round table? Now we are given this round table and there are 9 children and 2 couples. That means total 13 people are to be seated over here. So let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Seats are to be, uh, 13 people are to be seated on a round table in this way. Now we know that even if I put person 1 over here, person 2 over here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and person 13 over here. This particular arrangement, and let's see, this is other arrangement. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is second arrangement where I'm putting P1 over here, P2 here, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. P13 over here. Now these two arrangements are exactly the same arrangements. Since this is a round table, in which chair which person is seated doesn't matter. It matters who all are sitting next to them. Now this is exactly the same arrangement as the first one that we made. So there are such 13 arrangements. In case of 13 people to be seated on a round table, there are such 13 arrangements which are exactly identical to each other. P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11 and P12. So in case where we have to seat 13 people on a round table, we get 13 arrangements which are identical to each other. So whatever the number of ways, thus number of ways 13 people can be seated on 13 places around a round table should be divided by 13 in order to get different arrangements. All different arrangements should be divided by 13 to get all different arrangements. So let's see. We have this, again we'll draw this circular table. This is circular table and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 seats on this table. So when I give seat to first person, I have 13 choices. And for each of these 13 choices, I have 12 choices to seat second person and so on. So 13 choices to seat first person corresponding to each of them, each of these 13 people, 12 choices to seat second person, and so on. Thus, total number of ways total number of ways 13 people can be seated around a round table is equal to 13 factorial divided by 13. So that is equal to 12 factorial, which is equal to 12 into 11 into 10 into 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which is equal to, let's see, 12 into 11 is 132, into 10 into 9 into 8 is 72, 7 into 6 is 42, 5 into 4, now 5 into 2 is 10, so we'll not multiply 5 and 4 right now. 4 into 3 is 12, 5 into 2 is 10. Now these two tens make 100, so 100 multiplied by 132 multiplied by 72 multiplied by 42 multiplied by 12. So let's see, let's perform this calculation. 132 into 72. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9, so that is 4, 6 plus 4 is 0, 1 carried, 5 and 9. Now this has to be multiplied by 42, so let's see. 4 2s are 8, 0, 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 is 19. See, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36 plus 2 is 38. Let's see, 8, 6, 1, 9, 9, 3. Now this has to be multiplied by 12. So we know 12 8s are 96. 12 6 are 72 plus 9 is 81. 12 ones are 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 carry. 12 nines are 108 plus 2 is 110. 11 carried. 12 nines are 108 plus 11 is 119. 9 here. 11 again carried. 12 threes are 36 plus 11 is 47. So that is equal to 4790016 into 100, which is equal to 479001600. Different ways for 13 people to sit around a round table. So let's see, answer is option A, 479001600.